Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating power and simple boot issues. First, make sure the iPad has at least 30% charge or has been on a known good charger for an hour. This rules out a drained battery. Next, perform a forced restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold power for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary firmware hitches. Finally, check the cable and port for debris or bent pins, because a bad connection often mimics a black screen. Once charging and restarts fail, move to a computer-based recovery because software corruption can block display output. Connect the iPad to a Mac or PC with Current Finder or iTunes using the original cable. Then enter recovery or DFU mode using the correct button sequence for your model. This lets you reinstall iPadOS without relying on the screen. If the system prompts, try Update first to preserve data. If Update fails, proceed to restore. Make a backup if the device becomes available so you don't lose data. Complete the process by verifying whether the issue is hardware so you can seek repair. Shine a bright flashlight at an angle. If you see faint images, the backlight or inverter is at fault. If nothing appears, the LCD or logic board may be dead. If hardware failure is likely, book an Apple Store or authorized repair and have the serial and purchase info ready. If you still see nothing, try DFU again and note any error codes or LED behavior. That documentation helps technicians troubleshoot faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.